Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Google Authentication on Binance. Here I have made a step-by-step instruction. So first of all, you have to log in into your Binance account. You can do it by using the Binance website of a laptop or PC, or you can do it by using Binance mobile application on your phone. Then you have to go to the security settings. So hover over the profile icon in the top right corner and select security from the drop down menu. Then you have to download application which is called Google Authenticator. By the way, this is official Google Authenticator. You can also use Microsoft Authenticator or any other one. Then in the here you have to, of course, as I said, you have to install depending upon App Store or Google Play Store. Then you have to scan a QR code. So Binance will provide you a QR code when you go into the security and enable authentication. Then you have to scan a QR code. So here you can see you have to scan a QR code, as you can see here, and then you will get a code. So basically you have to enter that 6-digit code right into the Google Authenticator app into Binance. Then you have to complete the verification, enter your Binance account password, and click submit to complete the process. So this is very easy to do it. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.